Hi, welcome back to the series of deep learning. Today I'm going to explain or show the demonstration that is implementation of VGG19. That means is one of the familiar model where it consists of 90 layers and so on. So this is the one where and how we are going to understand today means predict an image using a VGG19 with the help of predefined model. So as of now, VGG16 I already explained you. The advanced version is called VGG19. So generally these are things used for transfer learning where with many applications where you can easily predict the images or image classification and also any face recognition tasks. If you have facial app or anything, there also can implement VGG 1690 and so on. So generally what we are going to do for predict the image, you download image and keep in your G drive if you want. So I'm going to import the packages like OS, CV2, Pickle, NumPy, then Matplotlib, then Keras and TensorFlow. So as of you know, TensorFlow, Keras, these are the open source library available for machine learning applications where we can access in the Google Colab or anywhere to accomplish the task for training and testing also. From then I am going to import the model, TensorFlow Keras model, import sequencer. Then I'm going to call the import VGG19. That the exact one I'm going to implement here, and I'm going to call sklearn.metrics also. Then import the NP, then image, then upload the. I'm going to just upload the beach image, not flower, just beach image. So beach image from local computer. The file, then once give the name where from the T colon save the file called beach.jpg. Then I'm going to save the model with the help of the code called model is equal to VGG19 dot VGG19 of model so on. Then it give the downloading option. Then load again the beach option where from the G drive the name called beach.jpg. Then you start to display the image. That means predict an image and displaying exactly. So this is the way how we can use VGG19 for implementation of or predict the single image. Then you can convert the image into array. Take of the code called input image like that. Then expand the dimensions. Then the shape of axis 0 and so on. Then display the information like this matrix value. Then predict the inputs on the model where you can give predict underscore image is equal to model dot predict of input image and display the information. So at last we can say the top 5 results. So we can give the code called VGG19 decode underscore predictions and top equal to 5. Then display the information like seashore, lack insight, fountain, sandbar, serum. So what are the objects in the present in the image displaying are predicting displaying here easily. So look at the diagram here, the image here. So say this is the one where we have seashore, the tree and so on. So like that we can easily predict the image with the help of VGG19. I hope that you understand the video. If you like the video, please subscribe and share with your friends. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching the video. Thank you.